I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. But it's so fine, and it's all mine. Hey, baby.
They say when life gives you lemons, try and make some lemonade, and that is what I'm about to do. Last night I was filming a video on how to meal prep, and it was pouring like crazy. The power decided to go out, so I had to put a pause on that. Like, look at how far I'd gotten.
But it's so fine, and it's all mine. Hey, baby.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to, I guess, wait until the power comes back, which is probably gonna be, I'm gonna be filming tomorrow because it's still not back. It's 11 o'clock. I need to head out. And like I said, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So I'm gonna be working out of the house today. I have some admin work to do. I have a meeting with Nancy, and I'm hoping she's in a vlogging mood. I usually tend to ask people for their permission if they're in the vlogging mood so I can vlog them. So fingers crossed. She did tell me she's gonna beat her face, so I'm trying to get her into the vlog. Apart from that, I'm also gonna be taking you guys onto a grocery haul with me to show you guys what I'm gonna be grabbing for the meal prep. I might as well just add that in here because yesterday I decided to sleep in. I was super lazy. My body was just sore, so I just listened to it. So I guess I can knock out 3 birds, 1 stone, and 1 amazing vlog.
We don't mind all the watching.
Tell the people how excited you are to see me. 2020 Miss Mandi, we are gonna do the thing. We're gonna do the thing. 2020 the thing. We're gonna do the thing.
First of all, let me just say this. I did not believe that in this whole enjoyment of Drink Semba,
yes.
I introduced Neville to my sister once. Now, when I happy pamoja, I'm just like, that, make it make sense. They hang out all the time now. No, I'm trying to understand, like, what happened? Why are you hanging out with my sister all the time?
Check it, the right kind of vibes. I mean, I vibes ambassador. So, they connect to the right kind of people. They will make my resolution. I'm going to to letter 2019.
Oh my God, he's just made a resolution.
He's just made a resolution right now. Do you know what Ruja just said to me? He's like, I'm not traveling anywhere inside Kenya until I leave the country.
Bang, bang, bang. Big goals, big goals, big goals. And we have to...
Cause if they study close, real close, they might learn something. She ain't nothing but a little doozy when she does it. She's so fine tonight. And as long as I got my suit and tie, I won't leave it all on the floor tonight. And it got fixed up to the night.
We just finished our meeting with Nancy. It doesn't seem as though I am going to go grocery shopping today because we finished our meeting quite late. I just need to put this out there. You people need to start asking the other girls about girlfriend diaries as much as you guys ask me. Like, are you guys in Nancy's DM asking her what happened girlfriend diaries? Because it feels as though it's always just me being asked, and I'm like, we're good. We're just doing other things. We still love each other. I don't ever see Nancy addressing this ever.
You know why I don't address it?
See, I addressed it once.
I already did it.
She sounds like those African parents. Nimekwambia mara ya kwanza. Ukisema mara ya pili.
I did it once. That was enough.
How's your 2020 so far?
I'm ready for 2021.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
What? We're just like getting warmed up. Like, how are you just ready for 20?
No, I'm just kidding.
3 things you're looking to do different.
For me, this year is be a better, you know, money manager for sure. You know, stick to my budgets and not eat out as much, because now when you track how much you eat out, literally track,
You get humbled.
you get humbled.
Fam, you see, it's like, oh wow, I just spent 5K in a
Gosh,
weekend.
good life, enjoyment. Oh, we only live once, right?
You do. It's just that I just feel like you need to be much more meticulous. Like, kuna ile, like, we're just going overboard. Like, on the first day of the year, I was with Nancy having glasses of wine.
Celebration, if we are alive. We are alive. First day of the year, as in you can't. That one you can't even count. You don't count birthdays, New Year's, Christmas. You don't count, you know, those special holidays. You just don't. They don't count.
Another thing that you're looking to do different in 2020?
Travel. My God, I didn't go anywhere last year. Passport I go on light of day.
Trust me, last year I tried to derail the girls to travel all the time because that's just me all the time.
You're the only person who left this country, honestly.
I feel like we work hard to travel.
Yeah, but last year I was, you know, me in Konmejinyima, it's like fasting. So in Konmejinyima, travel. So hii mwaka, sijinyima.
We're about to go on our first trip together. I don't know, is it gonna be a content creating trip?
For you, maybe.
For me, maybe. I want free tickets, okay? Like, courtesy of Capital FM. Nancy's just paying for herself to come along.
Oh,
that's the trip. Oh, what trip did you think I was talking about?
Your birthday.
Oh, wow, no. My birthday is gonna be epic though. Like, wow. Me, the planner that I am, I've been sending links.
Yeah. My God. Did you
what?
Settle?
No, I haven't settled our place, but I think it's just because I need 2 more people to confirm. If they don't, we keep it moving. Okay. Yeah. What's another thing? You've told us money managing, you've told us travel. What's the third one?
So I started, I remember last year one of my goals was to, you know, go to church. You know, I pray, I read the Bible almost on a daily, regular, you know, I connect with my God. Oh my God, I never go to church. So from last year, October, I've been going.
Oh, she's been so consistent.
Very consistent, 8:30 a.m. service. And I'm so happy now. I want to make it a thing, you know, this year.
Every Sunday morning?
Every Sunday morning. And then now I also want to, you know, start tithing.
Okay, that's pretty dope.
My salary, you know, I believe this work of my hands, it's not mine, it's God's, you know, God's ideas that come to me. That's what I believe, you know what I mean? So I need to give back.
Okay.
To tithe. I heard that.
Nancy always adds Kikuyu words. And I should know.
What is that word? I give the offering.
Kizungu. Messy.
But I feel like I need to start tithing. That's something I need to definitely work on.
Okay.
Yeah.
The one thing that I said, I mean, there's a list of things that I want to do better in 2020, but the one thing that I also said to myself was be a better friend. In terms of like, I feel like we go through life saying, yeah, we should hang out. Yeah, we should hang out. Oh my God, we should hang out. And these people are actually your friends. But do you hang out with them?
Okay, I do hang out with you guys. I hang out with relevant people.
You see what I mean? Okay, you have your own, as much as we're friends, we also individually have our own set of friends. Yeah. But like someone like Patricia is our friend, right? I don't feel like I've hung out with Patricia at all. You get what I'm trying to say? Like, that's what I mean. Like, I feel like being an actual present friend. Like, you call someone and you're like, yeah, I'm genuinely coming. Yeah.
I just, oh my God, Patricia, I'm so sorry. This year we are hanging out.
This was supposed to be a day in the life vlog. It's come to an end. It has to come to an end. Because if I don't end it now, I will be overdoing it. Anyway, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my previous video. Thank you so much for letting me know that you guys want to see a plantains video. So I'm definitely going to be in the works for that. Also at the same time too, I'd appreciate if you guys shared with me any video ideas you guys have or recipes that you guys want to see. Please leave a comment below. This actually encourages me to really focus on the things that you guys want to see, and data drives me, so I would appreciate some feedback in that area. Is it what I eat in a day videos? Is that what you guys want to see more of? Maybe what I take to lunch or what I take to work for dinner? Let me know in the comment section below. Your feedback is the most important thing to me, and I appreciate it. As I come to the end of this vlog, it's a new day. I'm actually headed to a friend's. They asked me to meal prep. I don't know if this is an service MMTD is gonna start serving up, but they are paying me. So, I mean, if people are talking money, I might just commit to this meal prep. So I'm just about to go head out, do some meal prep for them. I am probably gonna post whatever I meal prep on my stories. If you guys want to see me meal prep at someone else's house, do let me know as well in the comment section. until the next video, thank you so much for the love. Stay doing what you love, or find your passion points, and while you do that, make sure you eat something delicious and stay sexy.